What up guys, MatchX here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to migrate out of the DataDash app and into the AXS app that MatchX has switched over to for their M2 Pros and their Neo miners and such. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and download the AXS app. So while that's downloading, let's go ahead and move on over to the computer where we're going to take all your old MXC tokens and move on over to the new app. By the way, guys, if you would like to get your very own Neo, then definitely use code MAT100 in order to get 100 euros off your order. Link in the description. So the first thing you're going to need to do is open up your MetaMask or whatever your preferred wallet is. I use MetaMask, and if you don't have a wallet like MetaMask yet, then definitely check out this video. And what you're going to want to do is add a new network called the zkEVM. And this is the new blockchain that MatchX has decided to use to put all the MXC tokens on. So now that we've added this network, let's go ahead and switch on over to it. And you'll notice that you have 0 MXC tokens. So what we're going to need to do is get MXC tokens and then deposit them into your MetaMask. So that way you are able to pay for any gas fees, because you're going to need to pay for gas fees in order to approve and claim all your old MXC tokens that you earned previously when you were on the DataDash app. So you'll need to buy some MXC tokens either on Gate.io, which is not available in the US, or on Kraken, or on crypto.com, the mobile app. Don't use the website, just the app. And then you're going to need to send those via ERC20, which is the Ethereum blockchain. So send through the Ethereum blockchain into your MetaMask app, and then I will show you how to bridge those over to the new blockchain. So if you don't want to use an exchange and you already have some Ethereum or some other coin to swap in your MetaMask on the Ethereum blockchain, then you could just swap it like I am now to MXC. So one other thing you're going to need to know, and even if you bought with an exchange, is that you're going to need some Ethereum inside your MetaMask in order to pay for the bridging and any swapping fees you may incur. So in this example, I'll need about $7 in Ethereum in order to pay for this swap. So what I'm going to personally do is deposit about $50 worth of Ethereum into my MetaMask, and then swap half of that for MXC, and then bridge the MXC. Let's go ahead and talk about how to bridge it right now. So here's the MXC bridge, and what it's going to do is take your MXC that is on the Ethereum blockchain and migrate it over to the new blockchain. So in this case, you can see that I have 6,014 MXC tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. It also says it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and swap that all over to the new blockchain. View details, and next, and approve. So now that I've approved the coin to be transferred, now we're going to actually do the transfer over the bridge. So go ahead and click bridge to the new mainnet, and then confirm. Now keep in mind, this is where you need to make sure you had Ethereum in your wallet if you use an exchange to send the MXC to your Ethereum, because you're going to have to pay about $1 to $2 ish in gas fees, and it could vary depending on time of day and how congested the Ethereum network is at the time of your transaction. So let's go ahead and confirm this. Okay, so it's half done. Let's wait for the other half to send. There we go, bridge operation successful. So now you can go on over to the DataDash section of this. Here is where you'll need to switch to the new blockchain. Go ahead and switch the blockchain networks. So here should tell you how much MXC you can claim that was originally on your DataDash app. Now, if it shows a balance of 0, what you're going to need to do is contact MatchX directly, email them, and you may need to fill out a form to figure out how much they actually owe you. So I've already contacted them, fill out the form and everything, and this is how much they owe me. They owe me 26,000 MXC tokens that I've been earning on my Neo. By the way, guys, if you want to see how much I've been earning with my Neo and my HiveMapper, Demo, Helium hotspots, and other crypto devices, then definitely subscribe, because once a month we do a monthly crypto live stream where I share how much I've been earning with all those different passive income devices. Anyways, let's go ahead and claim the MXC now. So here is where you're going to need to make sure you already have some MXC tokens inside your MetaMask for the zkEVM mainnet, because if you don't, you're not going to be able to pay for the gas fees on the brand new blockchain. So that's why I already shared with you how to do that, so that way you won't be stuck in this spot like I was stuck here for a little bit before I had to figure out how to go through the bridge. So now that we've already done the bridge and everything, we are going to finally be able to claim how much MXC tokens we had on the DataDash app and migrate it over to the AXS app. So let's go ahead and confirm now. There we go, claim is successful, and if we open up my MetaMask, we'll be able to see that I have some MXC, more than how much MXC I bought previously in this video. And if you had any DHX, you could also claim it just the same way. Anyways, let's head on back over to the AXS app and set that up. Sorry to interrupt this video, guys, but I just wanted to let you guys know about a brand new store that sells a whole bunch of different DPIN devices. So if you're interested in DPIN and you would like to do some research on different DPIN devices to earn passive income, then definitely go check out Cosmic Equipment. They're also beta testing right now renting a helium hotspot. So if you want a 5G helium hotspot, but you don't know what the earnings would be, so you don't want to purchase yet, so maybe you just rent one instead. They're also a brand new store, so they are working on and getting even more DPIN things, so definitely check back every once in a while and see which new DPIN devices that they add. So Cosmic Equipment decided to do something a little special for you guys, my viewers. So if you use the link in the description to create a Cosmic Equipment account, then you will receive $25 off your first purchase. And for your first purchase and every other purchase after that, you can use code MATLONG6 to get 5% off your own Cosmic Equipment purchase off their entire store. Not only that, but they also launched their Cosmic Rewards Club, so you are able to actually earn rewards just by following them on social media, and you'll get one reward for every dollar spent. Right now, Cosmic Equipment only delivers to people in the US or the UK, but you can always contact support to see if they can work something out with you. Anyways, thank you to Cosmic Equipment for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So we're on the app here, and what we're going to need to do is go ahead and import a wallet. So let's do that, and then select secret recovery phrase. So what you're going to want to do is take your secret recovery phrase from your MetaMask that you just used and import it here, so that way you'll have that wallet on this app. So if you don't know how to get your secret recovery phrase, which is a phrase you should never share with anyone ever, because whoever has access to these words will have access to be able to withdraw your funds. So what you're going to need to do in order to reveal that to yourself and no one else is open back up MetaMask, go to the settings section, and then go to security and privacy, and then select reveal recovery phrase, and then it will give you a little prompt to remind you, do not share this code with anyone, because otherwise MetaMask will not be able to help you if you share it, as well as you might be being scammed. And then you can put in your password and then reveal your secret recovery phrase, and then open back AXS and copy and paste it here. Then it's going to ask you to create a username. This is optional. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and skip it for now. So the next thing you're going to actually have to do is connect your M2 Pro miner or Neo to your AXS app. Go to on-chain mining decentralized mining dashboard. Next, you're going to need to connect your wallet using the AXS app, and then tap the plus button in order to add your device to the app. So I have the Neo here, and I'm going to go ahead and scan the QR code. So after you scan the QR code, it's going to have you mint a hexagon token if you haven't already. Go ahead and select a skin. I'm going to choose the one on the left and then click OK. So now go ahead and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that there will be a fee associated with the transaction, so make sure that you have MXC in your wallet to be able to pay for it. But if you followed the rest of the steps in this video, then you're already good to go. There you go, it says success. So now what you may need to do is go back and then reselect on-chain mining, and then you're going to need to select your claim miners and then select the one you just scanned in, and then scroll on down and you'll see that your device is connected down there. Now what you're going to need to do is swap your normal MXC for XMXC, so that way you can use it as fuel for your miner. Now be sure to not swap all your MXC, because you're still going to need MXC in your wallet in order to pay for fees. So maybe do 75% of it or something. Now to actually fuel your miner. So you would think that you would need to go back to your miner and then click send fuel and then select XMXC. Instead, that seemed to not work for me. So instead, go back to your claim token area, scroll down to your NFT. Underneath your NFT will be your fuel tank address. Go ahead and copy this address. Then go back to your wallet on the AXS app and then send your XMXC tokens to this fuel tank address. Now that you've sent MXC to your fuel tank address, you can go back and click send fuel, and now you'll be able to select the fuel that you put in your fuel tank to fuel your device. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and send all my fuel and confirm. There you have it. Now your device is successfully fueled and can start earning you rewards. Now all you need to do is go to claim tokens, and when the timer hits 0, you can claim some rewards. And if you don't claim it right away, that's okay. You can claim it later. Just keep in mind that you might lose your first epoch. Anyways, guys, hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other questions, and if you would like to see a video on the reverse of this, where you are able to sell your MXC tokens for cash in your bank account. Let me know if that interests you, and I'll make a video how to do it. And also, I'm supposed to be getting a new MatchX branded device here in the future, so definitely stay tuned. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, stay safe, trade safe, watch out for scams, and God bless. Peace. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. How do I even YouTube, dude?